Hey, it's Tim Rhey with True Rate Mortgage Group. Quick market update, as always. Tariff talk. We had a big tariff talk yesterday with Donald Trump, and he dropped some monster tariff news yesterday, and he doesn't use regular math. He uses big boy math. He looked at how much we're actually importing from other countries and compared it to how much of an actual trade deficit we have with them. And he took that number and he basically divided it in half. And that is the number that Trump is using. And what we're learning from that number is that some countries rely heavily on US exports. And that's going to shake things up over the coming weeks. Now, let's talk about job cuts. March saw 275,240 job cuts. Yikes. Most of that came from one company, and you know who I'm talking about. Snoop Doggy Doge. We've heard it before. The real kicker, companies are actually barely hiring. Just 13,198 jobs planned. That's the lowest number in 13 years. So job growth right now is definitely on hold. Tomorrow, we have a BLS report. I've been talking about this for a while. We're going to get unemployment. Currently, we're at 4.1%, and it's looking like we could get 4.2 or 4.3% tomorrow. If we get that number, the market's going to react probably like it did today, which is another big day for the bond market. Right now, we are up about 40 basis points. But you know what's really big is the 10-year Treasury, just above 4%. We haven't been here since maybe September of last year. What happens is when the stock market, which we saw today, took a huge plunge, investors want to put that money into the safe haven of conservative government bonds. And we're seeing that. A lot of money came over to the bond market. That's why we had such a big day today. Tomorrow with the BLS could be another big day. So let's keep an eye on the market. If you're in the market yourself, you're looking to buy a house, you're looking to maybe refinance, give us a call. If you're looking at a quote from another lender, let us take a look. We'll let you know if you're in the ballpark. Keep in mind right now that the disparity between lender rate quotes is off the charts. We're seeing some lenders come in 1% or 1.5% higher than other lenders. So there's a settling going on right now. Some lenders are already starting to work on much lower rates. Others are still kind of stuck a little higher. If you want an exact rate quote, give us a call. We'll give you one in 5 minutes. That's it for the day. Happy Thursday. Have a good day.